Hi, I'm Chef Eric Crowley and I own the Culinary Classroom. Whenever I want to make an exotic dish like a tomato chutney or an Indian style curry, I reach right for my turmeric and cardamom infused coconut oil. Use this the next time you want to really bring out an exotic flavor in the next dish you make. I'm going to show you how to spice it up right now. For my turmeric and cardamom infused coconut oil, I will need some coconut oil. This is what coconut oil looks like when it comes out of the jar. Kind of looks like shortening. And when you heat it up, it looks just like this. The coconut aroma on it, it's very subtle, but it works really great for this particular cuisine. Then I start to heat it up to 225 degrees. Really important you don't get it too hot, so utilize one of these, an instant read thermometer. Once you start to get to that temperature, go ahead and put in your turmeric slices. And let that simmer around for 10 or 15 minutes. Don't put your cardamom in yet. After your 10 or 15 minutes has gone by, take the oil off the heat and let it cool for about 5 minutes. Since your cardamom is ground already, if you wind up putting it in too soon, it's going to burn. After 5 minutes of cooling, stir in the ground cardamom, and then you're ready to go. You could either strain it if you want, or you can serve it just like this. I love to keep it in a bowl or a little jar like this, where it'll stay in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 months easily. Try this the next time you're making an Indian style curry or some chicken tikka, brushed on the chicken pieces before they go onto the grill. What a wonderful way to add Indian flavor into your dishes really quickly. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to follow my social media platforms for other tips and tricks. And remember to spice it up.